Well, goodness gracious sakes alive, it's Friday the 30th of January, which means February is coming up real quick, don't it?
Amen.
Amen. All right. This be the black bike, the 72 that wouldn't start the other day, and then it did start with absolutely nothing done other than cleaning the plugs. It has gone back to the no start at all, not even a try. So Kevin's going to try to start it. We'll try that. And if it does not start, we're going to roll back to a 0 point. We're going to start checking the basics. I mean, is there gasoline in the gas tank? Yes, there is gasoline in the gas tank. And is there gasoline flowing to the carbonizer? Yes, there is gasoline flowing to the carburetor. Is there spark? Yes, there's spark. Is there spark at the right time? All the basics. We're going to go back to basic elementary school, first grade, and work our way up rather than just jumping around trying things, which is what I tried yesterday. So you want to give it a stroke and see what happens?
Yep.
Here we go.
Clockwise?
Yeah, it's a one-click key. Gas is on. You can choose the choke or not. That's up to you. I'm not even going to open the garage door because
No.
I have zero confidence. And
Try it with the choke, since it's a bit cold.
you got soft shoes on, big guy.
Oh no, these are oil on the floor.
Okay. Shit, there goes the backfire. Okay. See, I mean, it's not even trying.
No.
It's interesting about that backfire. Do you think that you are able to kick it over with much more vigor than I am?
It's possible, that's for sure. I mean, you know, I've sat on it, and you tend to do it on the side.
Yep.
And I was able to get more weight behind it. I don't know. I'd say the thing to do is to, you know, turn it off, try it again this afternoon. I can come back later today, you know, try it again. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, I'll show you something cool.
Oh.
Yeah, how about that? How about them apples? You didn't know that, did you?
Yeah. I mean, at first didn't want to at all, then she lit right up.
That first pop,
Yeah.
that was symptomatic of I'm not going to start.
Yes. Yeah. And then the third, fourth kick.
I say,
boom.
yeah, third kick, maybe fourth.
Yeah.
And listen to it.
Yeah.
It's freaking gorgeous.
Yeah. I shut the choke off very quickly, and it dropped into idle very quickly.
I know, and normally it takes a little warm up.
Yeah. No, it was fine.
It's puffing some smoke. That's internal. That's not our problem. That's internal. That says we could do the top end, but doggone it. I really almost wish it hadn't started.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's the intermittent problems that are drive you nuts.
Yep.
Like I said, I think the only thing to do is turn it off, try it this afternoon, try it again tomorrow, and if it starts, then, well, okay.
All right, go ahead and turn it off right now and let's do a restart.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, let's just do it. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, when I tried to start this thing yesterday, it was dead like a doornail.
Yeah.
And maybe it is. He's just got more weight to kick it through. But I've been starting Nortons for
Yeah.
ever and ever. Amen. Ignition's on, light is on, yeah.
Yep, shouldn't require a choke.
It's got compression.
Yeah.
And see, now it's going to mess with you.
Yep.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to let it sit till this afternoon and do a restart this afternoon. I'm going to publish this just to show people
Yeah.
how frustrated we are.
Yeah.
Between the last episode and this morning, we've gotten like 60 really good suggestions, all of which are perfectly good suggestions. And I can't see any of them other than a temperature affecting something that makes it go intermittent, cold
Yeah.
solder joint, a loose wire that the vibration is just perfect to put it together. The black box, of course, this is a tri-spark. The black box is inside the mag pickup. It's all one unit. Well, like I started out, the next time it does a no start, we're going to go all the way back to, is there gas in the tank?
Well, yeah, there's that.
You know, and work our way up from that.
Yeah. Yeah, there's gas.
I mean, it's half a tank of gas. I checked it yesterday.
there's plenty of gas.
And is there gas going to the carburetor? Yes, there is obviously
Well,
gas going
yeah.
to the carburetor.
Yep.
And is the timing set? Yes, there's obviously the timing
Yeah.
is set. Is the timing sparkling? Is the ignition system sparkling? I proved that yesterday with my little neon light bulb. There's spark. And is there spark? Yes, because it runs. Is there spark all the time? Well, now there's an interesting question.
Yeah.
Is there spark all the time?
Well, it's interesting. In both instances, it required. There was nothing for like 3 kicks, and in the 4th, it lit up.
That's true, and we've seen that backfire on first
Yes,
kick
yeah.
at least twice.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
because I remember it happened that way the first day it refused to start.
Yeah.
Backfire and then no start.
Mm-hmm.
And is there compression? My gosh, there's
There's
compression.
compression,
Boy,
yeah.
I mean to tell you.
I can testify to that.
Yeah. So, okay, this is just an exercise in frustration at this point in time. If it starts this afternoon, I'm going to take it off the lift, put it back over in parking,
Mm-hmm.
put the other bike back up and try to do some tuning on it because it needs some tender, loving TLC
care.
tuning to get it running right.
TLT. Yeah.
Yeah, tender loving computing. I don't know. Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, TLT.
Alright.
Okay, I'm done for the morning.
Yeah.
And you've got we got the little yellow bike running yesterday.
Yeah.
That was a very frustrating day.
Oh.
That was a day that exhausted us with frustration. That little yellow bike. We finally Kevin, this is all Kevin's doing. Finally, he threw up his hands and said, "We got to put a different carb on this bike, because you can only go through a carb like 6 or 8 times
Yeah.
before you finally decide.
Yeah, it's not gonna
it's
work.
not going to work. So we
No.
got a used carb and put it on the bike, and doggone, it was running great.
Yeah.
Now you're
So-
going to go home and do a cold start on it
I
now.
know. The prayer is that it'll start today, and then, haven't gone through the transmission yet. Don't even know if it'll shift
Yeah.
or if the clutch plates are frozen, and,
Yeah.
do that process.
Actually, I haven't tried shifting that more than on the bench.
Yeah.
I haven't really tried the clutch on that black bike over
Yeah.
there, so I got to do that too. So we both had a very, very frustrating couple of days, and okay, so I'm gonna let this one sit here cold till this afternoon and do a restart,
Yeah.
and then I'll put that one back on the lift and do some work on it. In the meantime, I think I'll do some stuff on my RV because I got things that need to be done.
There you go.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you. Thank
Yep.
you for coming down.
That's okay. We'll be in contact, but I'll plan on coming back like at about 2 o'clock or so.
Cool.
Just again, so that we have a consistent test.
All right.
You know, so it's not, well, am I getting enough weight behind it or not?
That's true.
Yeah. All right.
Later, man.
See ya.
Go get in your cool little BMW
Yeah.
car. Oh, isn't that a cool car? Is
Yeah.
that a kick butt car?
Yeah.
But he doesn't have an RV, so what can I
Duct
say?
tape together.
Thank God for Gorilla Tape.
Yeah. I know.
All right, man.
See ya.
I'll see you later. Bye.